So in this case, we're going to go ahead and try to place an order in quick service. We'll just simply tap a couple of items. We can go ahead and tap on the numbers here and quick select a different quantity. We can also do this. You can also delete an item that way. If you hit the X here before you hit pay, it will prompt you to clear the order. So that order is cleared. Nothing was sent to the kitchen. If we go ahead and select a couple of items, in this case, if we want to mark it as to go, we would simply enter the first name, last name. If you have a mobile number, you can enter that in, although it's not a required field. We're going to go ahead and hit pay. This will take us to the payment screen. So here you can go ahead and just cash it out for even money for $7.88 by just tapping the cash button. If you are accepting currency, you could just put $10, hit the check mark, it will calculate your change, and you could hit cash, it will close out and print your receipt. If you are doing credit card, you could just simply clear this out and hit credit card. It will force the full amount for $7.88 on the card. If you're trying to do a partial payment, let's say for $2 on a credit card, then you hit credit card. Now it's going to automatically charge $2 to the credit card. From this screen, you could do add more items. You could void the check. You could print the bill for the customer. You can also apply any promo codes. You could check for loyalty, add loyalty points, add service charges if you have it, delivery sales to mark it as delivery sales for Uber Eats, DoorDash, etc. If the customer is paying with gift card, you could also charge their gift card, remove tax from the sales, and also if they have any specific coupons, you could apply it here. In this case, we're going to go ahead and just do the $2 in cash. So we'll go all the way to the top, go ahead and hit the cash sales. Notice we made a partial payment, and you could hear the printer printing my receipt. So now we made a $2 partial payment here with cash, and we have $5.88 left. So in this case, if we go ahead and tap on the credit card, you could have electronic tip enabled. So we're going to go ahead and select the dollar amount here. And if your credit card is connected, it will automatically charge the customer for the full amount, and it will force a signature if that e-signature is also enabled. So now our transaction is completed via our credit card. So we're going to go ahead and type or do a signature electronically here. You hit done. If you have e-receipts enabled, it will automatically ask you if the customer wants to have an email receipt, a printed copy, or no receipt. In this case, we'll go ahead and hit no thanks, and the transaction is complete.